Hey everybody, this is the third Dayton industrial ceiling fan, the 60-inch Dayton model number 4C721. Um, and this is the third of four, so this is got one more to test. This one is in okay cosmetic condition, but it's had a repair done to it that I'll get into in a minute. Um, but yeah, so take a quick look over it first, actually. It doesn't have very many scuffs on the bottom of the motor there, as you can see. The blades are pretty clean. This is, again, just a random set of 3 blades out of the stack that I was given. This one's got some scuffing on it. And then this end is a little bent for some reason, like somebody stepped on it or something. Um, the canopy is in pretty good condition. The upper canopy, at least, with the collar is still attached to the canopy itself. Um, the lower canopy doesn't have a screw. Actually, the upper canopy didn't either, but I found that one. I didn't put a screw in this one because I wanted to show you. This one's the repair that this one's had done to it. If I lift this lower canopy up, you can see the yoke that holds the capacitor, the start capacitor, and the wiring and everything for that. Actually, I'm not sure if that's the start capacitor or the run capacitor. I don't know what kind of motor this is. But anyway, the yoke, as you can see, it actually broke right here at the bottom, here on either side, and it was welded back together. So, I actually, Dan sent me pictures that the seller sent him where it was broken. So I guess he welded it back together. So, yeah, it seems to hold pretty well. It hasn't come crashing down yet. One thing I don't like is that they removed the safety cable. These have a stainless steel safety cable that runs from like the top of the bottom of the yoke to like where the motor mounts all the way through the down rods. You can attach it to like the structure or something, so in case the down rod fails or the mounting or something fails, it won't come crashing down on somebody. So I don't know that this is just for testing purposes right now, but in the future, if somebody were ever to install this, they would want to reinstall that safety cable at least. So let's go ahead and start the fan up on low. I'm using it on the same speed control as the others. This is a solid state. And this one's motor seems to work okay with the solid state. It seems a little noisier than the second one, but it doesn't seem quite as noisy as the first one, I don't think. And this one's bearings are also okay. They're better than the second one. They're a little bit noisy, but like just a very slight bit of noise that you can hear. In fact, it's practically inaudible over the hum of the motor. Okay, I think that's about as fast as it's going to get. Because like I mentioned, these take forever to get up to speed. Because how heavy they are. Gonna turn it up. Starting to get into functional low territory. a little more. And there's the wobbling. Oh, must have gotten up to a speed that it at least balanced a little bit. This is like medium low. Okay. Turn it up even more. This is like medium. Actually more like medium high. Okay, see how far do we have to go to get to high? We're almost there. That's pretty close to high. Okay, and then that's high. I think. No, that wasn't high. Okay. There we go. That's high. Yeah, I'd say pretty solid air mover there. Sorry about my finger there. Going Victorian again. Alright, spin it down. Oh, and the AC is starting up, so we're gonna have to deal with that now. That's okay, we're almost done. Okay, they had a little bit of kickback there, so a little stiff I'd say, but That might just be because of how heavy it is. So, the bearings are pretty good. So, let's do a 0 to high now. Let's see. Speed control. Okay. Pretty good. Alright, there we go. So, I think that is it for this video of this Dayton industrial ceiling fan, model 4C721. So, I've got one more to test, so thank you for watching, and more to come.